Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In this lecture, we are going to cover recent event videos. So in the workflow section, click on Explore All and then click on Recent Events video. With InVideo AI, creating a video on recent events has never been easier. Just input your search for a specific news headlines and let InVideo AI do the rest. InVideo AI will craft a compelling script, source the best visual from their vast iStock library, and add professional voiceover or your own voice with harmonious background music. Also, don't forget to add subtitles to make your content accessible to a broader audience. To get started, simply specify the event you want to cover in the video, as well as any particular angles or perspective you wish to highlight in the video. You can select the tone you prefer and the voice you like to resonate with your target audience. Whether it's breaking news or weekly updates, InVideo AI ensures that it generates engaging, informative, and professionally presented videos. Just type in your prompt, sit back, and watch InVideo AI transform your text into captive video narratives that ready to publish in the news. You can add any Wikipedia links or any news channels URLs. Again, this is optional. But for you, this is a homework or a class project or a class assignment. Now I will sit back and relax and try to roll this pencil in my hand. I promise I have seen someone on TikTok doing so. Oops, it isn't working. Well, complete your homework and create a video by using recent event video workflows.